Tired of organizing your files? In this tutorial, we'll create a Python script to automatically organize your downloads folder. By moving files into designated subdirectories based on their file types, this code will save you the effort of manually moving and sorting your downloads file by file. Now, I'll be showing you my code in all the different sections that come together and automate this process. First, you will have to import two standard Python libraries, OS and Shutil. And since they are Python standard libraries, you will not have to download them separately by using pip or any other tool. The next step is to define the subdirectories where you will be sorting your files. Some of the directories I used were music directory, video directory, zip directory for zip files, image directory, and doc directory. Download directory is just the path for the download folder which we'll be sorting, and miscellaneous directory is just for miscellaneous files which don't really belong in any of these directories. Now, here I define the file extensions for each directory. So what this does is it sets the extensions that each directory accepts. So music array will contain these extensions, and music directory will follow these rules set by music array and only accept files from these extensions. And it's the same concept for every single other directory in their respective array. Now we go to this function, move func. This function moves the root file to target folder, and it uses the Shutil module from the Python standard library to move the root file, and then it will print moved in the terminal once we run the program. Now, this just checks and moves files based on their extension. So it will just check each extension, and then if it's true, it will move the file using this function. So you can see we use the if, elif, and else to first check every single directory, and if it's not true for any of them, you'll move it to miscellaneous, or you'll print this and say not recognized. And finally, the main script that iterates through every file in the download directory. Basically what this does is it uses a for loop to check every file in the download directory, and it calls extension check. And basically what extension check does is it will just check where each file belongs, and it will move it to that file using move func. Let's see it in action. So if we run this, we should see that a lot of files have been moved. Now let's check if they have been moved in Finder. And as you can see, all the files have been moved to their respective locations. So let's check zips for zips, images for images, and miscellaneous for just random stuff. Thank you for watching, and the link to my code will be in the description.